In this video you will learn: how do I know if my Ring doorbell battery is fully charged? Remove the battery from your Ring doorbell. Press the release tab on the bottom of your Ring doorbell and slide the battery out carefully. Connect the battery to your charger. Plug the battery into a micro USB cable. Connect it to a power source like wall adapter or computer USB port. Check the indicator light on the battery. Look for the LED light on your battery. A solid red or green light means it's charging. Wait for the light to turn solid green. When the light turns solid green, your Ring doorbell battery is fully charged. Ready to be reinstalled. Unplug the charger and reinsert the battery. Safely disconnect the battery from the charger. Slide it back into your Ring doorbell until it clicks into place. Verify your battery levels in the Ring app. Open the Ring app, select your device and check the battery percentage under device health to confirm it's fully charged. Now you know. Your Ring doorbell is fully charged. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.